friend of me is Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can block notifications from apps of your choosing on this Black Shark. You need to start by accessing settings and scrolling down. Now choose notifications and control center, tap on app notifications and select one of your apps, for example Gmail. Now when I click on the switcher next to it, as you can see, all notifications from Gmail are now blocked. If you wish to unlock them, just click on the same switcher. But you can always just click on one of your apps instead and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!